Welcome to Amtech, the Advanced Asset Risk Management Technology. Today's training is on safety orientation. Orientation training can serve many positive purposes. Safety orientation provides employees with necessary safety information about their job and task. Section objectives. What are the section objectives of safety orientation training? Understand your role in safety and security. By this training, we can understand the role in safety and security, can also get the information in a proper way, can identify, fix, and report safety hazards. And also, we can prevent and respond to fires and other emergencies. For any kind of accidents, a quick response is a must and a first aid is a must. So by this training, we can quickly respond to accidents and give first aid immediately and evacuate the facility in a safe manner. Accident response. How to respond to an accident? Call for a professional help or inform supervisor if we have seen some accident in worksite, and immediately give a first aid to the one who is in an accident and report the incident and also maintain proper record for it. And if the investigation team visit your site after the accident, you have to cooperate with them and fix whatever you can. Safety rules. General safety rules. Observe all safety warning signs and maintain housekeeping. Whenever you use some materials or whenever you use some equipments, keep it where it was before and maintain a proper housekeeping. Keep all kind of emergency equipment quickly accessible and never horseplay in a site. Horseplay in the sense making fun of other worker, it is a dangerous situation. It will lead to a dangerous situation. Whenever visit the site, wear required personal protection equipments and obey all the warning signs and follow all safety procedures. Never take shortcuts. Evacuation procedure. What we have to do while evacuation procedure is going on? Stay calm. Do not rush or panic, because when we are not in calm, we will rush and we will panic. It will lead to collide. And recognize the evacuation signal and listen for the instruction. Shut down equipment using the emergency stop. The machines, try to stop the machines using emergency stop. Immediately go to the very nearest safe exit. Proceed to the assembly area as soon as possible. First aid. Contact trained first aid provider if injured. Use eye wash stations for chemical exposure to eyes. In every work site, the first aid boxes are located near to the work area. So if you have seen someone in an accident situation, immediately go to the first aid box and give required first aid. Consult material safety data sheet if exposed to spills or releases. Protect against BBPS. Safe lifting techniques. What are the safe lifting techniques? Lift safely, which means bend at knees, pull the load close to the body, face your load, don't twist your body. Instead, just turn, let the leg lift the weight by standing position with back straight. Do not overextend when reaching and use the footrest if standing for long periods. Do not twist, twist your body, instant turn the body if you are lifting the weight. Back safety tips. Never lift the weight more than 25 kilogram by yourself. If the weight is more than 25 kilogram, immediately use crane. Do not lift it by yourself. Don't pull the weight. Instant just push. Do not bend with the weight. If you are lifting weight, do not bend. Instant squat. And as said before, do not twist. Instant turn. And if you are having back pain, immediately seek for medical attention. Use of ladder. Whenever there is a use of ladder, do not step on chairs, boxes, bins, or other object. Instead, use the ladder. Before using the ladder, make sure that the ladder is in a fine situation or ladder is in a working conditions. And climb and balance safely. Use both hands to hold the ladder while stepping on it. Safe driving at work and home. Before traveling in car, inspect and maintain your vehicle. Know all the driving hazards and conditions. Always wear the seat belt and follow safe driving practices and keep the lights and use signals whenever you are turning the vehicles. Know how to respond for the emergency situation and never overspeed your vehicle. Head protection. Head protection is one of the personal protection equipment. Whenever there is a chance of some objects falling over the head or whenever there is a bump to the head from fixed objects, you have to wear the helmet or head protection. Routinely inspect hard hats from dents, cracks, because if there is a dents or cracks, there is a chance that the head protection won't work correctly. And maintain it in a good condition. Eye protection. Employers must provide eye protection whenever it is needed. Eye protection is a must and must be worn on site or at all the times. The employee must wear the prescription glasses with side shields. Hearing protection. If the machine or the industry is providing more noise than 90 decibels as an 8 hours time weighted average, you must use an ear protection. Because as the noise level increases, it damages your hearing more quickly. Food protection. In general, the standard required that food protection be used whenever it is necessary by reason of hazards of processes or environment which could cause food injury. So whenever there is a chance of object falling on the foot, you must use the foot protection. A hard foot protection. Composite toy footwear is recommended because it is a hard. Fall protection. Falls are the main cause of injury. All employees exposed to weight must be effectively tied off. If you're working under a height, you must use a fall protection because falls are the main cause of injury. And check the support before use. Fire protection. Fire extinguishers must be conspicuously located and periodically inspected. Travel distance to an extinguisher must not exceed than 100 meters. So use know how to use fire extinguisher so that in case of fire we can use it efficiently. Key points to remember. Play your role in safety and security. You must know what are your roles and how you can be in a safe situation and play your role in a safety and security. Use common sense where it use common sense in every situation because safety and security is your own responsibility. Respond safely to any kind of emergency situations. Follow workplace safety procedures. If you have any doubt, you can ask me or you can contact on our email ID qhse at amtech.com. Thank you everyone for attending this training section.